मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ दोनों का। उनका काम मैंने बचपन से देखा है। इमरान सर तो स्पेशली ही इज़ लाइक वी हैव ग्रोन अप वॉचिंग हिज मूवीज़। प्रोफेशनल वाइज भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा। द वे इमरान सर वॉज doing the scene with me. He was being very patient because I remember in the beginning the whole scene with Sir was I was the one who is having all the dialogues. I don't think that I'll be a fit in Big Boss.
Why exactly?
Because I don't see myself in Big Boss somehow. ऐसा नहीं है, मेरे को रियलिटी शोज ऑफर हुए हैं पहले भी. I have said no to them always.
Hello and welcome. You're watching India.com Z with me Malika Mezzabeen. And आज हमारे साथ एक बड़े ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं. So let's welcome Lavkesh Solanki. Hi Lavkesh, thank you
Hi.
for taking time for us.
Thank you so much, Malika, and thank you for inviting me here. Thank you, India Dot and Z Network, for having me here.
So I'll begin with this. My first question to you would be, we saw you on Showtime and your character Montu received so much of love. इतना ऐसे hilarious वाला character रहा है. So how was your experience playing it?
It was a beautiful experience, yeah, like from the production to the team, the co-actors. When I got to know about the show that it's a Dharma show, so from there only I had my expectations of that this is going to be the outcome. It's a very big ground on which I'll be performing. So and the character Montu itself was something I relate to in my not in my life, but it's a very he's a brat kind of guy who wants to make it big on the big screen, and he wants to get into the industry as a hero. So वो part मैं अपने से थोड़ा सा relate करता हूँ, not being a brat myself. But yeah, the character was really fun part of doing it. मतलब वो कहते हैं ना टिपिकल बड़े बाप की औलाद, और वो ही वांट्स टू डू समथिंग गुड इन लाइफ. पॉजिटिव भी शेड है और एक नेगेटिव भी शेड है. एरोगेंट भी है, एम्बिशियस भी है, टैलेंटेड भी है, थोड़ा सा फनी भी है. दैट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर.
That's lovely. Showtime में you shared the screen space with Vijay Raz and Imran Hashmi. So tell me one thing, is it something कि जब आप इतने बड़े एक्टर्स के सामने जाते हैं, सो इज़ इट लाइक आर दे डिफरेंट बिहाइंड द कैमरा, और कभी ऐसे दिमाग में रहा कि इज़ इट अ बिट टफ टू अप्रोच देम कि बात करना थोड़ा सा टफ होगा कभी?
आई डिडंट हैव दैट थिंग इन माई माइंड व्हेन आई वाज ऑन सेट. जैसे मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ दोनों का. उनका काम मैंने बचपन से देखा है. इमरान सर तो स्पेशली ही इज़ लाइक वी हैव ग्रोन अप वॉचिंग हिज मूवीज़. मैं जब सेट पे मिला उनसे तो द डायरेक्टर इंट्रोड्यूस मी टू इमरान सर. ही वॉज वेरी कम्फर्टेबल, दैट वाइब ऑफ हिज वॉज वेरी कम्फर्टेबल. उन्होंने नाम पूछा, मेरे बारे में पूछा, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम अबाउट आई फॉरगॉट माई कैरेक्टर कम्प्लीटली एट दैट टाइम. उनको मैंने सब बताया दैट आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ योर्स. ऑल हिज मूवीज़ एंड सॉन्ग्स वे प्लेइंग इन माई हेड. All his movies, you see that star in front of you, you get starstruck for a moment.
Right.
Being an actor yourself. So he was very sweet on the set. Working with him was a very good experience. He was making me comfortable. He was taking care of me like as a senior, responsible senior, taking care of a junior. He was that sweet. And Vijay Raj sir, of course, he was playing my father. So काफ़ी उन्होंने अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस मेरे साथ शेयर किए एक्टिंग के, और उन्हीं की वैनिटी में हम लोग लंच करते थे. ही यूज्ड टू इनवाइट ऑल दी को-एक्टर्स टू हिज वैनिटी. एंड इंडस्ट्री के एक्सपीरियंसेस भी उन्होंने मुझे बताए. अपने वर्किंग विद संजय लीला बंसाली वॉज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हिज विच ही शेयर्ड विद मी. एंड the vibe which I saw personally, to answer your question, was they were very sweet and very supportive in real life. जो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि स्टार है और सुपरस्टार है, they I think it's all assumptions.
So did you had any learnings from both of them कि अभी कुछ सीखा मैंने ऐसे?
Yeah, like professional wise भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. The way Imran sir was doing the scene with me. He was being very patient because I remember in the beginning the whole scene of with sir was I was the one who is having all the dialogues. उनके lines जो थे reactions थे वो that was one words. तो he was being very patient. एक शुरू में सीन जब शुरू हुआ तो एक दो बार मैं I was forgetting my lines because you know working with such a big star like it was like a dream. So but he was very cooperative about that.
You know, you started your journey with TV, right? And then there was a transition all over to OTT and then Bollywood. Why exactly this transition? Like, did you want to shed that actor tag कि था कि TV actor tag shed करना है मेरे को and that's why I want to get into OTT? कुछ ऐसा था?
No, there were never such insecurities. TV में मैंने जब मैं बॉम्बे गया तो I wanted to learn from the scratch. I had this in my mind from the very first day कि नीचे से ही सीखना है लाइफ में. You cannot get a big break instantly.
Right.
आप किसी भी फील्ड में जाओ. Obviously Bollywood is such a dynamic work structure कि वहाँ पर तो the world will see you. तो you need to get from the scratch. You need to build yourself up. That builds a character in a person. Bombay में when I was new, I didn't know anything about the industry, about the people, or about talent also. दिल्ली में मैंने एक एक्टिंग का कोर्स किया और फिर मैं बॉम्बे चला गया. Like you know, and I was in the middle of a battlefield, and I was lost for the first year. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया कि यहाँ हो क्या रहा है. मैं यहाँ कहाँ फिट होऊंगा. And then I stepped back and I saw people, talented people, very even people, the star kids, everybody, they were so talented, and so I had to prepare myself to that level. कि अगर आप यहाँ रहोगे तो nobody is going to see you. There are 1,000 people like you struggling. You know they will. So you have to build yourself. धीरे धीरे टीवी से मैंने शुरुआत की. टीवी को मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं था. It gave me an opportunity to stay in the city. It gave me, you know, people. I have seen so many people who don't do TV, and they go back in the very first year or 2 years, 3-4 years. They'll go back. मैंने कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं था. मैंने टीवी को एक कॉलेज की तरह लिया. An institution to learn, you know, a paid institution in fact, जहाँ पर you'll be paid and the work field is similar to a movie set. And I never had that inferiority, you know, insecurities many actors have that I'll be called a TV actor or something. I never had that. And then from TV to OTT to Bollywood, I made that jump. I took a gap of 3-4 years from TV. I used to say no to a lot of big shows. But I had to take that leap of faith because I used to do martial arts, dance and everything. I used to build everything side by side. मैं shooting करता था TV की और फिर मैं shoot से बहुत बार मैं I remember I used to go to my martial arts class and dance class because I was preparing myself for the bigger thing subconsciously. That was happening with time. So then after my last show which I did was Maling on Star Plus, where I played the villain.
You know, now you have been introduced to OTTs, OTT platforms हैं. So, do you have a thought process? Because you know, back in the industry, there are a lot of ongoing debates, claiming that OTT has the potential to overcome cinemas. Do you agree so with that?
I think I think cinema can never be taken over. वो बड़ा पर्दा, वो पब्लिक, वो ऑडियंस, वो फील उसकी, वो आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू, उसका कोई मैच नहीं है. द रीच, नाउ यू सी पीपल मेकिंग फिल्म्स ऑफ 500 crore budget, you know, and those films are making 1,000-1,500 crores pan India. So वो कोई it's getting bigger and bigger day by day. Obviously web series have come in, which is a very good thing for the actors, like who are not able to do movies in Bollywood, or who are not because OTT also works in a similar way like Bollywood. It's Bollywood only. The people are the same who have done movies. The directors are the same. The production houses are the same. But I have never thought that it will take over Bollywood. Bollywood, the big screen is the ultimate destination.
आपने टीवी में भी काम किया है, आपने ओटीटी में भी काम किया है, एंड देन आई बिलीव यू हैव आल्सो वर्कड इन बॉलीवुड,
Yeah.
राइट? तीनों चीज़ों में से कहाँ ऐसा फील हुआ कि इट्स इजी टू गेट वर्क एंड रिकग्निशन एट द सेम टाइम?
I think तीनों ही एक जैसे हैं.
व्हाई?
Recognition, fame, or work from work to work is they is very difficult in all three. Because you never know what will work out. Some things might work out for you, some things might not. आप एक expectation लेके नहीं जा सकते कहीं पर भी, because it may bring you back to zero. I remember I've never got work from work till now. I have been zero again and again throughout my journey. I did one show in TV, वो किसी ने नहीं देखा. Then from that show I had to struggle for another show. From that I had to, obviously your resume, your profile builds up, it gets added up. लेकिन वो 0 आप होते ही रहोगे. तो that has built my character from rising up from the zero again. और वो फिर जब आप उठते हो दोबारा, you don't give up, then you are greeted with a bigger opportunity, I believe. तो that is my thought process. You never know, आपकी फिल्म हिट हो जाए और आपको काम नहीं मिले इंडस्ट्री में, या फिर आपका कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं चले और अगला आपको एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट मिल जाए. तो इट्स द इंडस्ट्री इज़ वेरी आई वुड से nothing is permanent here.
Oh, that's true. That's very true. Since working in all the three sectors, if given an opportunity in future, what would you prefer, and over what? Like over Bollywood, OTT over Bollywood, TV over OTT, or what would be your choices?
I would prefer Bollywood over everything. Not that I am saying that something is bigger than the other. Every industry has its own प्रोज एंड कॉन्स. हर जगह पर आप देखोगे तो लोग ही हैं हर जगह, प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, और कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म कोई बड़ा छोटा नहीं है. लेकिन यू नीड टू इवॉल्व एज एन एक्टर. यू कैन नॉट डिनाई दिस फैक्ट दैट दीज प्ले ग्राउंड्स आर डिफरेंट. रीच आपकी अलग है, टीवी की रीच अलग है, OTT की अलग है, सिनेमा की अलग है. जो सिनेमा की रीच है दैट इज वर्ल्ड वाइड. योर वन हिट मूवी कैन मेक यू फेमस थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. सो वो रीच अलग अलग है आपकी.
हम OTT के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सो जस्ट कैन नॉट लीव बिग बॉस OTT, right? Because it's too much on trend at these times. Do you think that if given a chance to you for Big Boss, first would you accept it? If yes, then do you think that Big Boss is a platform where you get fame and name very quickly, and it helps you to just climb the ladders in terms of your new projects and everything?
I don't think that I'll be a fit in Big Boss.
Why exactly?
Because I don't see myself in Big Boss somehow. ऐसा नहीं है, मेरे को रियलिटी शोज ऑफर हुए हैं पहले भी. I have said no to them always, because it's my journey is I see is of an actor throughout, from doing a bit of theatre in Delhi to from working in television and then going into OTT. So everything I feel is actor based, actor oriented. So Big Boss mein I don't see myself there. And what was the second thing that you asked?
If yes, do you think that it helps you to
Fame,
climb up the ladders
yeah,
of fame,
no,
right?
I have been never desperate about fame. I have never thought of fame in the first step, because I have always thought about building yourself, building your talent, working with good people, and working on your craft, working on your skills. Everything my journey has allowed me to do is building up your own as an actor. So मेरी actor profile में ही मैंने add किया है. तो फेम के बारे में मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं है.
You know, I cannot let you go without asking you this very last question. Was there any instances जहाँ पे आपको एक role मिला हो, but then at the same time, because of somebody who's more popular, that role has been taken away? And if yes, how was the experience?
पहले I used to take it very personally in the beginning, but there are a lot of people. I won't say the popular ones or the insiders or the star kids, or I was never ever insecure about the nepotism thing which is going on. People have their own journeys, I have my own journey, and I appreciate talent, whether whatever you are, an outsider or insider. Talent is what I really appreciate. So the backstepping and taking away each other's roles used to happen. अब तो काफ़ी common हो गया है. पहले मैं थोड़ा personally ले लेता था उसको, अब नहीं लेता, क्योंकि then I saw the project when it came out. It didn't work. The role which I was supposed to play, that didn't work for that actor, or that that backstepping which happened. Politics is everywhere. You cannot deny it. So I took it in a very positive way, that thank God it didn't. I was not the one who played that character, क्योंकि नहीं तो वो भी flop ही हो जाता.
All right. So with that, we'll come to an end of the session.
Thank
It was
you.
a lovely conversation with you, Lavkesh, and we hope, like, sending you all the good wishes for your future endeavors.
Thank you, Malika.